to remember while we are using oil pastels and watercolor together. We do not go with the first or the basic technique of wet on wet. Here in this case we apply less water, more color technique because we want it to dry faster. So you can keep your fans on, so it will dry faster. Okay, right. So, but it's not that we paint totally dry. We don't even paint completely dry, because if it's completely dry, then your brush will not move. So there should be sufficient water and sufficient color in your brush. Okay. So as always, we will begin with the sky, avoiding the tree area. Okay. So I will be taking Prussian blue. And just one layer of it, and then I will totally pull it with water. Avoid the base, all the objects that is there, mainly the tree, the house. Make sure that line doesn't go inside the house, color doesn't go inside the house. Okay, now till the time your sky is drying, we will move to the tree. Now for tree, okay, now we will begin with the tree. For tree I am using brush number 10. For tree, I will take gamboge little bit. Gamboge is any day better than lemon yellow. It looks very nice and shiny. And I'm going to assume my light is coming from top, like straight, like afternoon time. Okay, then I take emerald green. Make sure your brush does not have too much of water. Rather, it should have just enough water for it to move. And don't try to get into too much of detailing with this layer, because after this we are going to add oil pastels to it, right? So it is the oil pastel layer which will add to the detailing of it. Of every leaf or whatever scribbling and scumbling, whatever we have to do in whichever way. Now I'm going to take viridian green. And mainly wherever you feel that it will be dark, because see, you know that where core shadow will be, right? So in those places, okay, it's a revision for Bhavya, है ना? Right, now I will move to tree trunk. Oh sorry, I had a little bit of tree here also. I am sorry, I missed that out. Okay, now I'm going to move to tree trunk. Yellow ochre or raw sienna, whichever is available on your palette. And I'm I'm sure I don't have to tell you how to paint tree. We have painted tree many times. I'm going to just take a mix of raw umber and burnt umber. Don't worry, beta, I'm making a video, so I will send it to you. Yeah. So wherever you are, okay, now you continue with raw umber. That's how we add little texture to it, like here and there, raw umber. So I've just added little bit of black in my raw umber. I want some branches and all to be seen over here. Yeah. We'll move to the house. For house, I'm going to use vermilion. Okay, and just one line of vermilion here. And I'm going to take another brush, say brush number 4, with no color, just water, and I'm just going to spread this. Okay. Same thing I'm going to do here. Hold on, guys. So I'm using leaf green and dark green alternatively. Okay, wherever I want the dark effect to be seen, I will use dark green. Now we're going to use this part. So again, yellow gray, very lightly, the very light hand, a bit of dark brown below the stone area, and a little bit here near the stone area. Just blend it with yellow gray. Now you can again take dark green and just small chotu bushes can be, like grasses can be added here. There's no harm in adding few even on the pathway. If you want, you can add a bit of yellow gray in the stones also. That is totally your choice. Now more or less everything is done. Now the only left part is this. Okay. So what I'm going to do over here is, I am going to, okay, now for this, take grey, not dark grey, but grey. Alright. And do not color the black part. Just color this straight part. And take black and just go curve, like like this small curve. Don't draw it so big, make like small curve to show that pole is a curved pole. It's not a straight rectangular kind of a cylindrical kind of a pole. So it's more like a round pole that we see on street lights, the ones mainly that we see for street lights. And make a broken line over here. Okay, then again take gray and just make the top part curve. Now we just left with this line. One will go straight, one will go half. So one line will show that it is from front, the other will show it is from behind. Now take your dark gray and like those wires, those electrical wires that we have, just bring it till the end. And then you can add cute little chotu birds. That's it. It's done. This is your entire